Hey guys, how you doing now? My name is Arya, and I'm into a slime part 2 dye. So the greatest thing you need is glue, and it can be clear glue or glitter glue or school Elmer's glue, your choice. But today I'm gonna use clear. So yeah, and then the second thing you need, glitter is optional. Blue glitter. I'm doing blue glitter because the shaving cream makes the clear glue blue. So yeah, that's why I want these two. Um, you need a bowl. You need something to mix with. You need borax in water, and you need shaving cream. And let's just start with the video. So I got my mixing thing. So you just want to put your glue in now. And how much glue you put in is actually how much slime you get. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix a little. I'm gonna add shaving cream. I'm sorry guys, I had to pause the video. So I put the shaving cream just in right now, and I'm just gonna mix. And like I said, the shaving cream makes the glue blue, the slime. So yeah, and you can already see it's like slime. So that's what I like about it. And I'm just gonna keep mixing, and then you're gonna add borax. Borax you only need a little bit. So I get my measuring, and I'm just gonna add a little. And that's about enough. And glitter is optional, like I said, so I'm gonna add glitter. So yay, glitter! So I'm just gonna add a little. It's pretty pretty. You can see it's activating. I'm gonna add more glitter. It's pretty. So now I'm gonna put it in my napkin. And I'm gonna activate it. It's pretty sticky. Okay, so it's activating. So yes, please subscribe to my channel if you see it. Wow. Sure, I'm gonna add more glitter just for fun. So I'm just gonna open this right here, and then I'm gonna add glitter. And that's about enough. See this? And then just mix it now. Wow. Okay, that's a lot. So, oh my god, that was a mistake. So I'm gonna do challenge with my brother, like who can make the best line. like weird food challenges, the chubby bunny challenge, and my brother's gonna do a lot of pranks. Only if we reach 1,000. So if you get that, I promise you, I'm gonna try my best to make it as fun and funny as possible. And my brother friend is gonna make a YouTube video today, so I'm gonna ask him his YouTube channel, and then I might I'm gonna tell him, and please go subscribe to his channel. So yeah, you can see it's actually kind of good. It's good, cause like right now you see glitter because of the glitter I sprinkled on my hand, but it isn't like the glitter does not come out of the slime. It's like just in it. So yeah, and yes, this is for my brother. So the next video is the lime for my brother. So. Oh my god. So I'm not more brown. And when he touched it, it got a little sticky. I don't want to do that. I want it as non-sticky as possible. And you need a container for this also, just for it can last longer. So this stuff's gonna be for me. But my next one, I'm gonna make it very big and puffy. I'm gonna use a full or half bottle of a Emma's glue, clear glue, for my brother, because he's begging me for some. So yeah, and I'm gonna put a lot of glitter in that, or he might want the pink one. It's his choice. So I'm gonna ask him for that. And please subscribe, like, and comment, and share, and put a comment saying nice things. And please don't hate. Cause you know, I'm just a 12 years old girl, average girl, doing slime videos, dye videos. So yay! So I'm gonna see if it's sticky, and it's not sticky. See, it's not sticky. So guys, this is the end of this video. Bye.